Derivative of a constant, think of this as an equation. Like if this is y equals 2, when you look at the line y equals 2, we're looking at a horizontal line, okay, like that. And when you think about a derivative, what a derivative really is it's an equation, or it's a formula, okay, for finding the slope, okay, of the tangent line to the graph at any point along the graph. Well, what you'll notice from your previous math classes is that when you have a horizontal line, what's the slope of the graph always? It's always 0, right? So when you take the derivative of a constant, it's going to be 0 because the slope anywhere along this line or this graph, it's going to be 0. So that's why we say the derivative of a constant is 0. Now you could write this out a little bit more formally. You could say dy dx. So for example, if you start off with y equals 2, dy dx equals 0. And all that just means is dy is like the change in y over the change in x, right? So you know, that's from your slope formula, right? The rise over the run is going to be 0. So I'll just show you one more example. Say you have like y equals 4, okay, you're just going to have, again, a horizontal line like this. The slope is always going to be 0. So if you had the derivative of 4, it's just going to equal 0. Now when you're doing problems, if you check out some of my other videos about derivatives, you know, a lot of times you're going to have something more like this, like the derivative of 3x plus 2. Well, the constant, remember, a constant's just a number. It doesn't change. It's always staying 2. It's not like a variable where it can change depending on what x is. But this part here, when you go to take the derivative of 2, that part's going to actually just cancel out because it's going to be 0, so you don't have to write it. So I hope this helped you get a little head start here on learning about derivatives. Subscribe to the channel, check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll talk to you soon.